Hey everyone. If your subtitles are not showing in HandBrake or they disappear after exporting your video, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake subtitle issues so they work properly. First, check your subtitle file. Make sure it's in a supported format like SRT or ASS before importing it into HandBrake. Next, go to the Subtitles tab and import your subtitle file correctly. I mean, if you skip this step or import it wrong, subtitles won't appear in the final video. Enable the burn-in option if needed. This ensures subtitles are permanently embedded into the video instead of being optional or removable. Make sure you select the correct subtitle track. Multiple tracks can sometimes cause confusion or make subtitles not appear. Check the language settings of your subtitles. Incorrect language mapping can prevent proper subtitle rendering. Make sure you're using the latest version of HandBrake. Older versions may contain bugs that affect subtitle display or encoding. Finally, re-encode your video and test it in a media player. This confirms whether the subtitles are properly fixed or not. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake subtitle not working. Follow each step carefully, and your subtitles should show up perfectly every time. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey